Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's 21st of December today. So today I'm thinking of decorating my Christmas tree and starting the Christmas preparations because it's Christmas time and the best part of the year I feel. So I'm going to take you all through my journey of the this year's Christmas. I hope you'll enjoy. But before that, don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that I get to know that you are liking my content. So yeah, let's start. So guys, finally मैंने lights लगा दिया है and बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है अभी yellow lights and all सब बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. So now I'm going to start the decoration. So yeah, let's see the decoration now. So guys, I'm going to start decorating now. So I've taken out all my decorations here. So yeah, let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to pick out the things for decoration and I'm going to put it in the tree now. I know it will take a little more time because this is a big tree. Before this I had a small tree. But this year we thought of buying a new tree. So this is a 4 feet tall tree which I'm going to decorate. So yeah, let's see how I decorate.
Storybox Audio.
I'm going to put the snowman. So this is a very cute little snowman. I feel it's the best part of the Christmas tree. And so I'm going to put it in the middle because it's the most beautiful ornament. The next thing that I have is a very shiny reindeer. As we know, Santa's sleigh, जो उनका reindeer है, we are going to put it. So yeah. And the next thing that I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to put it is Santa Claus himself. So I'm going to put it here somewhere. The next thing is the Cupid, and Cupid. This is the Cupid. I'm going to put here. So guys, the next thing that I'm going to decorate is a Christmas bell. तो मैंने कुछ अभी लगा लिया है like snowman, reindeer, drums, bells. So this is one of them. So the second last thing I'm going to show you guys as an ornament is that my chocolate. So these look very beautiful on the tree. And the last thing is a gift bag because Christmas is all, it's very famous for gifts because Santa gives us gifts in the night. So I feel it's a very important part of the tree. So guys, this is a beautiful toy that I have. It's Santa with his reindeer walking. And this is a cute little showpiece kind of thing and I'm going to put it in the tree.
2 hours later.
So guys, finally I've decorated the tree. It took me about 2 hours to decorate it. So I hope the final result is looking nice. I'm going to show you every bit of it. So that's the top portion and बहुत मेहनत लगा इसको decorate करने में, but it's looking very nice. The final result is beautiful. Then in the side I have also decorated a small bowl in which I have got these beautiful multicolored lights and then Santa Claus, and that's the disco light. And नीचे I have got this mini soft toy Santa Claus. Then I've got these small gift boxes and bells and toys. And finally one more Santa Claus with his reindeer. I hope the final result is looking nice to you too. So I'm going to show you things that I have made myself for Christmas. Guys, this is the first gift bag that I have made. It's all made by me. I have done the ribbons. I have done everything, every bit of it. And it's looking very beautiful. You can open this from here. That's the hook. And the surprise inside the box that I'm going to show you will be opened in part 2. So stay tuned for that. But that's the box, that's the back side and that's the front side. I have made this for Christmas because Christmas is a festival of gifts. So I made this. And the second gift box that I made is this one. It's a proper gift box, and it has a small ribbon over here. It's packaged with paper only. So again, the surprise inside it will be opened in part 2. So guys, finally we have come to the end of this video. After a long and tiring day, I'm very tired now. So I'm going to have a hot bowl of soup, which my mom has made for me. So I'm going to show you the soup, and that will be a refreshment drink for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video of Christmas decoration. I'm going to publish one more video, which will be a part 2 of Christmas, which will show the things that I do on the day of Christmas. So stay tuned for that. So guys, finally I'm going to have this hot cup of soup, and this is made of tomatoes, beetroots and carrots. So it will give me instant refreshment after this long and tiring day. So I'm going to enjoy this, and yeah, till then, bye.